the derivative of the function natural log of secant of x minus 3 times the tangent of x. So we're going to be using the chain rule to calculate the derivative of this composite function. So we have the derivative of natural log of u, which is 1 over u, so 1 over secant of x minus 3 times the tangent of x, multiplied by the derivative of the inner function. So the derivative of the secant, which is secant x tan x, minus 3 times the derivative of the tangent, which is secant x squared. So we close the parentheses, and then what do we do? Well, now I'm going to leave the problem for you to finish, but now notice that, first of all, you can factor out a factor here of secant of x. So for instance, here you can say secant x, and there is a secant x, which can be factored out. Also, notice that there is a secant x here. See if you can factor it out from the tangent. What would happen? Can you write the tangent of x using the secant? Also, one thing you want to remember is that you want to remember really that secant of x is equal to 1 over the cosine of x, right? And also the tangent of x is equal to sine x over cosine of x. So just these two facts here, and playing a little bit with algebra, will allow you to simplify this expression for the derivative of f in a way that's easier to read. And perhaps it will be more useful for later on purposes.